All right, so let's move on to a couple other shapes on the GED formula sheet. So let's talk about finding the surface area and volume of a pyramid. So what makes a pyramid is it has a base, one base, which is on the bottom, and the way I have it drawn here. And all side faces are all triangular. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 triangle faces that all meet at one point, okay, the peak. And here this is also a pyramid. It just happens to be a triangular pyramid because the base is a triangle. So this would only have 3 triangular faces that all meet at the same peak. So let's go through and find the surface area and volume of both of these pyramids. So for this first one up here, if I wanted to find the surface area of this shape, let's first assign it some numbers. So let's assign my side length here of 9 inches. Let's assign the true height, which is typically notated like so. Remember, your height and your base are perpendicular. So our height here, let's let be 7 inches. And let's let our slant height equal 11 inches. Our slant height is just the length of this here, which is on a slant. Our true height is completely perpendicular. So let's find the surface area of this shape. So go ahead and locate the surface area formula for a pyramid on your GED formula sheet. So we have surface area equals half times PS plus a capital B. Okay. In prior videos, I've discussed what this P means. The P means the perimeter of the base, so I'll just write that right here. Perimeter of base. S here is the slant height. And this big B is the area of the base. Area of base. Okay, so let's go ahead and start plugging in our known values into this formula here. So this half I'm just going to bring down, which is part of our formula, times the perimeter of our base. So if I look at this shape, it has a square base here that's 9 by 9. Okay, so because it's a square base, it has 4 sides. So we have 9 times 4 gives us that perimeter of the base of 36. Times our slant height here, which is given of 11. Plus capital B, which is the area of our base. So again, this base is a square. So to find the area of a square, we take our side length and square it, or our side length times side length. So 9 times 9 is 81. And now we can just compute that. We can take half of 36 is 18 times 11, and that gives us 198 plus this 81, which is the area of our base. So our total surface area here is 279 square inches. And like I've mentioned in past videos, surface area is as if we were to paint this pyramid or to wrap it in wrapping paper. So it's all the sum of the areas of all the sides of the figure. Go ahead and find the volume of this same shape. So locate the volume formula for the volume of a pyramid on your formula sheet. And that says we have 1/3 times the area of our base times the height of the figure. So we just bring down our 1/3 times the area of our base. We actually already did that work here. The area of our base is 81, but again it's 9 times 9, so that's 81, times the height of the figure is the true height, which is the 7. From peak to center, straight up and down, that's 7 inches. So if I were to compute this, I would get 189. And then remember that volume is always given in, or notated in cubic inches. Cubic inches. And remember, you can kind of visualize it. If you could picture one perfect, that's 1 cubic square inch. So picture it like a little sugar cube, possibly. And how many of those fit in there would be 189. So remember, volume is how much an object can hold. So we have our surface area of 279 square inches and our volume of 109 cubic inches. I'm going to do one more video here finding the surface area and volume of this pyramid. So same formulas, but it is a little different with a different base. This had a square base, and now we'll talk about one that has a triangular base.